Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. This is teacher Meysam, and today I will talk about some of the tricks that you can do and apply on Zoom meetings. Let's get the ball rolling. As you may know, the free version of Zoom does not provide a 1080p resolution video quality. Only paid versions can do that, but there's a trick. So if you want to do so, I would say first, before inviting people or while you're having a conference with people, make sure to share something. Especially make sure to share something which has a 1080p resolution. Very simple. You can just share it for a couple of seconds or maybe 1 minute is enough. So I would say go to share a screen and share it with your people. As you can tell, right now it is sharing my whole screen, right? So just share it for a couple of minutes, for a couple of seconds, and then just stop sharing. Okay, I do this before inviting that person. I try to record it, in advance, and share my whole screen, right? And then invite my guest. Okay, so as you can tell, you can simply go to this meeting information, and everything is available here. And I think this is the shortcut for copying the link or sending the link to your friends or students or whatever. The next one is you can simply go to the setting. Okay, obviously with general. In the general, uh, don't mess around with these things, but I think this one is really cool. Show my connected time. As you can tell over here, you see it shows that how many minutes or how much time I have just spent on this platform, so that you can organize your lessons. You can have a full control on the time. I would say that is really cool. Next one is the video. Obviously, make sure that you set the video on 16:9 widescreen, plus enable HD. This is really important. Yeah, make sure to tick on mirror my video, because if you do not do that, your students, your audiences cannot see. For example, if you try to show something, okay, as you can tell, your friends, your audiences cannot read it properly, right? So you need to do that. Audio is very important, as you can tell. If you check on this, like automatically adjust my volume, it means that when you speak louder, okay, or loudly, what happens, it automatically adjusts so that your voice, your sounds would not actually bother your friends, your audiences, or your students. But sometimes, you might receive a lot of complaints from your students that, teacher, I cannot hear your voice very clearly. In that case, I would say just uncheck this and just leave it like that. I would say that. And next one is to go to advanced mode. Okay, this is really important again. So in the advanced mode, the first one says suppress persistent background noise. So what is it? For example, you have a sort of fan which is working. It can cause some noises, as well as your air conditioner can cause some noises, so that you can get rid of them. How? By simply, I would say, so moderate is normal or average, and aggressive is severe. Or you can, you have to do it. You have to do it and see the results. Next one is suppress intermittent background noise. Sometimes, for example, the door is opening, you are moving on your chair, there are some unwanted noises. So you can simply get rid of them, as well as echo cancellation, which is fantastic. You can put it on aggressive mode, so there would be no echo. I would say these are really important. You have to check them. For virtual backgrounds, you need to have a good system, a laptop. your laptop should be really cool. Otherwise you cannot use it properly. It would say your laptop does not meet the requirements. So if your laptop is okay, is new, is powerful and is strong, you can simply add image or video in the background, which is virtual right now. You can see the library, and I can easily play around. And yeah, I would say okay, we can continue like that. And next one is the recording. You can simply change the location, which is really cool. Yeah, next one is keyboard shortcuts. I would say you need to go through these instructions and just tick. Hold on, some of them are not available. Anyway, you need to tick them, okay, or put a check or put a tick mark in the box, and you can enjoy it. Yeah, I hope it was useful for you. So be supportive and subscribe to my channel and share it and like and leave some comments over there. And yeah, take care of yourself.